The first thing you'll notice while using this pole is the weight of it. It's high quality. You can tell when you put it in your hands that it's not gonna bend or break very easily. It's definitely thicker and heavier than the majority of the pool poles out there, but it's if you guys have used the Brute series by Skimlite, it's not quite as heavy, so it's not as cumbersome to use, and it's actually pretty much the perfect weight and durability in a pool pole that I've used. It's very similar to the Piranha series power poles. So if you've used one of those, you'll be very used to this right off the bat. So I really enjoyed using this pole, and one thing I really like about it is the ridges along the length of the pole. It adds a lot of texture to it, so even if your hands are wet, you can get a firm grip on it and hold it in place and prevent the pole from slipping out of your hands. And then when we look up down here to the mechanism, you could see that this is the Lock-Right mechanism by Pro Tough Products, and it's very big. It sticks out quite a bit from the pole, which I really like because it's very hard to let the pole slip through your hands and drop in the pool and lose it. So the way to use it, you got these two buttons here you depress, and then you just go ahead and extend it and then click it into place, and it's as simple as that. So we'll take a closer look at this mechanism here in a minute, but that is how you operate the Ultimate Series pool by Pro Tough Products. So here's the mechanism taken apart. It's literally took 3 minutes to get to this point. You got the screws here for the pole and the several points there, and then these screws are for the red rings right here. And a couple things I want to note: these pins and push buttons are steel, they are metal, and then also both sides have reinforced where the threading goes for the screw are reinforced with metal, so you won't ever strip the plastic out. So that speaks to the durability. They're very simple to put together. You notice here on the pins they got the two holes, and that's for these springs right here. So all that you do is you just drop it into place. There's one taken care of. Do the same thing over here. And then this is the part that actually connects to the pole. So all that we do, these pins go in these holes, just like that. Do the same thing over here. And you always want to make sure that you align these opposites. So we're going to put the threaded part over on this side. And that's basically what it looks like for the most part once you get it together. And then all that you do is just crack it open just to get the button in there. Do the same thing on this side. And then if you notice, once you get it all together, the pins go in and out when you depress the button. So it's as simple as that for maintaining the mechanism. And what's cool, because it's fully serviceable, you can actually get the specific parts you need, so you're not throwing an entire pole in the garbage because of one tiny piece of the mechanism. So very ingenious design. I really like it, and should last for a very long time. Hey everyone, so that is my review of the Pro Tough Pool Products Ultimate Series pool pole. I've really enjoyed using it, and it's something I'm going to keep using. I like how durable it is, and I love the ridges going down the length of it for the extra grip, and I love the locking mechanism. It's very simple and very robust. And of course, with the unlimited lifetime warranty, why wouldn't you want to use something where the people are going to stand behind the product for years to come?